The project was called the Gallery Walk Project, and it was around December. I was in Taipei, and I actually went to a gallery walk in one of the exhibits in Taipei, and it made me realize that this is something that a lot of my students can replicate. I have a lot of students in my classroom who are very gifted artistically, and I wanted them to showcase that. A lot of those same students are not good with taking exams or taking formal assessments, and I thought that maybe for this particular class, they will shine by being able to express what they understand from the book through creative means instead.
My name is Anderson, and I'm sophomore. Our project is based on the tale of two cities, and there is two main cities. One is London and one is France. And we make these two cities because we think that in a story, the narrators talk about two cities' differences are very important. I think the hardest part of the project is because we only build buildings for once. I think we didn't make the cities have a big difference. The only difference between two cities is one of the cities have a broken window. And I think we can make more detail about each city.
I'm Jessie and I'm a sophomore and I'm in Mr. J. Mo's English class. My project is to make a mini book with some brief summary of each important scene, and also we made some movable pieces that helps us better understanding the text. I think after seeing others' project, I understand some chapters that I wasn't so clear about, and also I understand the setting of the book.
I would like our project to be collaborative, where me and the students work together to create their final project for themselves, and just brainstorming ideas as a group, and as each individual students coming to me, giving me feedback, giving me ideas, I was able to take the pieces and put them together, thus creating my Gallery Walk project.
I'm Gracie and I'm a sophomore. At first I didn't really know what circumstances the characters are in. I just only know what happened in the story and what affected them. But after doing this project, because I want to use a series of poems or illustrations to create it. So I try to stand in the point of view of each character and try to think like them. And I created the drawings that express their inner feelings, not just what events happen to them.
My name is Claire and I'm in grade 9. Our project is about making 4 cakes that represent one of the character in the book A Tale of Two Cities, represent his emotions change over time. I think at first I wasn't really understand how his feelings, but after making the project I understand more how the character feel, and by watching other classmates' works I have more ideas and more details about the book.
One of the biggest goals that I had was to really challenge myself as a teacher and as a profession. Second goal was also to challenge my students. A lot of my students struggle with formal assessments, taking quizzes or tests, and so I thought that maybe I can assess them through different means. They also had to write an essay, a reflection essay about what they've learned and kind of documenting their process along the way. I'm really proud of each of my students for doing well and succeeding and going well beyond my expectations. Awesome, thank you.